In this video, I'm doing a detailed review of the new Phonak Audeo Paradise Hearing Aid. Coming up. Hi guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing-related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. I'm not sure how Phonak did it, but I think that they may have just released a hearing aid that is even better than the already impressive Marvel line of hearing aids with the creation of the new Phonak Audeo Paradise Hearing Aid. Marvel, the predecessor to the Paradise, has been the most popular hearing aid in Phonak history, and it could quite possibly be the most popular hearing aid of all time. So what does the Paradise bring to the table that the Marvel didn't? Well, I'm going to cover all of these new key feature additions, tell you what I like about them, and tell you a few things that I don't. The Paradise hearing aids look very similar to the Marvels, with only a few subtle differences, such as a slimmer push button and a slight difference in the orientation of the front microphone ports. This is what the Paradise hearing aids look like on my ear. Now, I have the silver version on right now, and when you take a look at them, they still have that very sleek look that you would expect from a Phonak hearing aid. You have all of the same colors to choose from, and they use the same receiver wires as the Marvels. Unfortunately, they also use the same CeruShield Wax Traps as the Marvel hearing aids, which I have found to be difficult for some patients to change on their own. However, if you can figure it out, it does a pretty good job of preventing earwax from clogging up your devices. Phonak is releasing the full Audeo Paradise line at the same time, instead of a gradual rollout like they did with the Marvels. Phonak did eliminate their size 312 battery with the Telecoil version, which I am sad to hear about, but they still have a Telecoil in their size 13 battery version and the rechargeable battery version with the RT. While the Paradise may look the same as the Marvels on the outside, it is what's on the inside that really separates it. So let's go ahead and look under the hood and see what makes the Paradise so much better. Let's start with the new hardware. The Paradise line of devices have a new chip called Prism. Prism stands for Processing Real-Time Intelligent Sound Management, which has double the memory of the Sword chip that was used in the Marvel devices, which allows Phonak to do more things, which I'll get into in a minute, and it does not increase the size of the devices. They have also added motion sensors into their rechargeable versions. Using motion sensors in the hearing industry is not new because there are other manufacturers who already have them. What these motion sensors do is allow the hearing aids to make microphone settings changes based on your movement, so it doesn't have to just rely on the acoustic information in your environment to make these changes. So if you're in a noisier environment, but you're in a stationary position, like you're sitting at a table, the hearing aids know that they need to put the microphones into more of a directional setting. However, if you get up and you start walking, after 6 steps, the hearing aids will identify that you're actually moving, and it will start to open up the pickup range of those microphones. So if you're walking next to somebody, the hearing aids aren't in directional mode, they're actually able to pick up the sound of the person who's walking next to you. Like other manufacturers, data on Phonak's motion sensors also shows that users prefer to have motion sensors active to change their program settings, which includes a higher preference for speech, localization, overall listening, and sound quality. Getting back to the new Prism chip, one of the coolest things about the Paradise line of devices is that they have more and better connectivity. Now, this might come as a surprise to you, but as of 2019, the average United States household has 11 connected devices in it. And each household only has 2.52 individuals, which means that on average, each one of us has 4 devices that we would like to connect to at any given time. And I only have 3, which means that there's a good possibility that you actually have 5. Thanks to the engineers at Phonak, the Paradise hearing aids can now be paired to 8 different devices. It doesn't matter if those devices are Android, it doesn't matter if those devices are Apple. And it can be actively connected to 2 different devices at the exact same time. No longer do you have to constantly turn off the Bluetooth on the one that you don't want to use and turn on the Bluetooth on the one that you do want to use. You can actively have both of those devices connected at the exact same time. So if you're streaming audio from your computer and then you get a phone call, you can actually answer that phone call without having to switch over your connection. I've been testing out this Bluetooth functionality for over a week now, and the only thing that I have to say is the Paradise hearing aids allow for truly hands-free phone calls. And the way it can do that is it actually uses the microphones on the back of the hearing aids to pick up the sound of your own voice. So while you're streaming the audio from the person talking to you from your phone into the hearing aids so you can hear them, the hearing aids are also picking up your voice and sending it through the phone line to the person on the other end of the line. What's even cooler is that you don't even have to search for the push button anymore to answer a phone call. All you have to do is reach up and double tap your ear. That will answer the phone call for you. And then when you're done on the phone, you give it another double tap and that hangs up. Your hearing aids will even announce who's calling inside of your ear, so you don't even have to look at your phone to see who's calling. It's not only phone calls that you can stream directly into your ears either. You can stream in any type of audio, whether it's an audiobook, whether it's a podcast, whether it's music, or whether it's a YouTube video. And you can stop and start the streaming of that audio by just giving a double tap as well. If you're not actively streaming any audio or receiving a phone call, you can use this double tap to access your voice assistant like Siri, Bixby, or your Google Assistant. So you literally don't even need to pull out your phone anymore. Hold on a second. Call Ashley. Hey, yeah, I'm recording my Audeo Paradise review video. Yeah, I can't talk right now. I just wanted to demonstrate to everyone watching the video how I don't need my phone on me to make a phone call. Yeah, I know, it's pretty cool. Yeah, okay, yep, talk to you later, bye. These hearing aids also let you connect to up to 2 TV connectors so you can stream audio directly from your TV into your hearing aids at the level that you prefer, while allowing family and friends to hear the TV at their preferred level at the same time. The Paradise hearing aids still give you wireless access to a Phonak partner mic, and they also give you access to a Roger Select or Roger Pen using the Roger Direct integrated receivers to improve how well you can hear in background noise. You can also connect to a remote control or use your MyPhonak smartphone app using Bluetooth Low Energy. The new MyPhonak smartphone app is very similar to the previous MyPhonak app, which was used with the Marvel devices, with a few small additions and a few improvements to existing features. It gives you the ability to adjust volume and change between different programs in the remote control screen. It will also let you make customizations to your own audio by giving you access to clarity and comfort quick keys at the top, a 3-band equalizer to adjust bass, mids, and treble, noise reduction adjustments, speech focus adjustments, which now provides directionality, and a spatial noise canceller for even more help in a background noise environment, and compression settings, which are listed under the dynamic section. You can then save your preferred settings as a custom program that you can access again in the future. While I love the functionality of the MyPhonak app, it still has a few issues. For instance, if you go in and you actually make your own custom program and you want to be in those custom program settings that you have created, every time that you get a notification from your phone, so whether it's a phone call, whether it is an email, whether it is a text message, or whether it's your Ring doorbell app, whatever the case may be, if it sends you a signal to your hearing aids, it kicks you into Bluetooth streaming mode. But when you come back out of Bluetooth streaming mode, you don't go back to the custom program that you were in. It actually takes you back to AutoSense. And if you don't want to be in AutoSense, then that's a problem. So unless you turn off your Bluetooth when you create that custom program that you want to be in, anytime that you get a notification, it completely messes everything up. The other problem is that every one of these custom programs that you create, and you can create a lot of them, they get wiped out when these hearing aids are connected to my fitting software. So if you come in for a follow-up visit and you're like, hey, I made like 5 awesome programs that I love to use all the time, if I hook you up to my computer, it is going to wipe those custom programs out and you'll have to recreate them again. I have confirmed that Phonak is actively working on these issues, but they've been there for quite some time now. I just hope that Phonak figures it out really quick and sends out a firmware update to fix the problem. Another one of the cool things about the app is that it still allows you to do remote care, which means that you can have a programming session with your hearing care provider through your smart device from the comfort of your own home, even if you are in an entirely different country. The only problems I run into with remote care is that I cannot perform maintenance or repairs on your hearing aids, and I cannot perform hearing aid firmware updates remotely, which can be an issue if you live in a different state from your provider and you need to have an update done. According to my Phonak rep, I have done more remote care sessions than any other provider who works with Phonak hearing aids. And the reason this is because I absolutely love it. I can do remote care sessions with my patients no matter where they're at. So if they're here in the wintertime and I'm working with them in my office, and then they go back up to their northern states where they spend the summertime because it's way too hot out here in Arizona, I can still have access to their hearing aids. I can do data logging checks. I can check in and see how they're doing. I can do programming changes, and they don't even have to be in my office. The remote care feature also has Audiogram Direct, which means that your hearing care provider can test your hearing thresholds with in-situ audiometry right through your hearing aids. The app also has a new and improved Hearing Diary 2.0, which lets your hearing care provider assign listening tasks so they can evaluate your performance with your hearing aids. Phonak has also introduced a new operating system called AutoSense OS 4.0, which has all of the same great features as AutoSense OS 3.0 with a few key additions in addition to the motion sensor. These include dynamic noise cancellation for noisy environments, which can improve your signal-to-noise ratio by 4 decibels, which can be the difference between understanding someone in noise and not understanding someone in noise. It also includes speech enhancer. Now, speech enhancer is used for quiet environments. So if you have difficulty understanding soft-spoken individuals, even in a quiet situation, speech enhancer can provide an additional boost to these soft talkers. Phonak is also introducing a new fitting formula called Adaptive Phonak Digital 2.0, and the main focus of this new fitting formula is to do 3 things. First is to use adaptive compression speed. So instead of just using fast compression or just using slow compression, they end up using a combination of both of them in order to increase the dynamic range of the hearing devices and to reduce the perception of reverberation. Second is to utilize more linear high-level gain in order to provide better access to speech cues, particularly in noisy environments. And third is to perform a better pre-calculation for mild to moderate hearing losses to improve first fit acceptance. Now, for those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you know that this is a pet peeve of mine. When any manufacturer says that they have improved their first fit calculations to improve first fit acceptance, they are basically suggesting that your hearing care provider only needs to hit the auto program button instead of actually performing real ear measurement. So I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you that it is never okay to just accept the first fit settings, no matter how close they might be to your hearing loss prescription. Why do I say this? Because even if the first fit settings were able to get you right on your hearing loss prescription for the amount of amplification that you need, there is no way to know this unless you verify it with real ear measurement. So instead of focusing on first fit acceptance, let's start focusing on actually programming your hearing aids to the point where you get the maximum amount of benefit out of them instead of just good enough to get you to keep them. Now, if you don't know what real ear measurement is, I highly recommend that you watch my videos that I will link in the description. Because if you want to get the most out of a set of Phonak Audéo Paradise hearing aids, you need real ear measurement to do it. As far as technology levels go, there are 4 different tier levels from premium to basic that can be put into any style of Paradise hearing aid, from the size 312 battery version all the way up to the rechargeable Telecoil version. The premium P90 level gives you full access to all of the new Paradise features, including dynamic noise cancellation and the speech enhancer. It also gives your hearing care provider the most customizability to maximize your hearing potential with your hearing aids. Each time that you go down in a technology level, certain features are eliminated, and so is the ability to customize your devices. That being said, if you are looking for a good hearing aid and you cannot afford the highest level of technology, you have plenty of lower cost options. When it comes to the specific cost for a Paradise hearing aid, it will depend on where you live, what services are included in the purchase price, and ultimately the quality of professional care that you receive. What you did not see on that list was a cross transmitter for those of you who may have single-sided deafness. Now, you may be aware that the Marvel line of devices also did not have access to a cross transmitter, and I know that some of you out there are going to be disappointed in this, but just know that Phonak has told me that their engineers are actively working on a cross solution, but if and when we'll ever see that, I'm not sure. Alright guys, my apologies for this video being so long. There was a bunch of stuff to cover and I didn't really want to leave any of it out. And with all the cool new features that we find inside of the Phonak Audeo Paradise hearing aids, I suspect that they will pick up right where the Marvels left off and be one of the most popular hearing aids that we see released in 2020. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it. And if you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, feel free to check out my website, drcliffaud.com.